Okay, we're doing a last second food review here with the also famous Emmy, and I'm laughing because we tried, we didn't try doing a food review last time on this place because we didn't know if it was going to be good or not. It was her favorite Salvadorian dish, pupusas. We're going to be trying off a place here that's actually pretty local. I'm mostly doing this one because I do enjoy her expressions whenever it comes to it, because if it's a good pupusa, she's happy. If it's mediocre, the wrath of the Emmy. That place was bad. That place, which was the
bad was like the correct term. That place was
that was just
Where is it?
horrible. Right there where it says pupusas. Now, the place that we had them and it was bad, just bad. That was Alameda Swap Meet, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now this place is called the Pupuseria Las Champas, which is located by 75th and Compton. I think I had them deliver it once. She didn't seem so mad about it, so I guess we're going to see how that goes. We're going to go inside and order, so thank you for joining us in this little adventure. Add better.
Add better.
Don't you dare.
Add better.
Alright, so first point deducted. We go and we make our order.
Actually, second point deducted. Parking.
Okay, parking is still her first point deducted. Now, the second point deducted comes from the hilarious thing that the window says they accept card payments. They even accept Apple payments and all that other stuff, Square and
whatever.
But when it came to paying, when it came that she saw me take out my card, she goes ahead and says they don't accept card payments. What kind of bullshit is this?
She didn't do it. They didn't do it at the moment. But still, why say you accept card and then be like, oh, do you have cash? People, come on.
Seriously, what the hell? Well, I mean, the only thing I can think of is maybe she wants to pocket it, but
There's cameras.
there's cameras. All right, well, we're gonna go get cash. See if we could deduct more points. The video quality is changed. Anyway.
I have better video quality than you. Ha!
No, mine's still better. All right, we got the food.
Shit, where did you go?
I'm right.
There you are.
Like the hardest thing to lose. Nonetheless. All right, so we got the food. We're going back to my location. So the place is not going to get a rating for ambience, or what do you think?
Well,
What do you think? What do you think?
Well, first I need to watch where the fuck I'm walking.
So ambience, what would you say it is? Location and everything.
Location and yeah.
Just no
You
rating.
know who I am. No rating.
No rating.
No rating whatsoever. Come on, let's get in the car.
Here, I thought you were actually being romantic.
No. You're gonna have to cut off like a lot of the video.
Really? This thing. Nonetheless.
Bloopers.
Right. You didn't even see Dora's bloopers, did you?
I don't think I saw Dora's video, period.
I didn't want to, but Dora, you forced my hand. You said to put those bloopers. Nonetheless, all right, so it's not going to get...
What'd she do?
Amateur. Nonetheless, all right, so Yeah, no, if you guys want to see the bloopers for Dora, it's under Talking Ink, Dora's paintings.
Oh, you actually did hers already?
Yeah, I already did hers.
Wait, wasn't the guy with that sold you the death machine?
That's Monday. She needs a better calendar. Dude, today is Thursday.
My vacation messed me up.
Sure. Back to the food.
Oh, yeah.
So, okay, it doesn't get a score for ambience. The location wasn't too bad. However, parking is a little hard to get into. Parking, as you can see, is a little hard to get out. We are hoping that the quality and the taste more than makes up for it.
Put your seatbelt.
Pricing, it actually wasn't at all that bad. I ended up doing for a total of, I believe it was $11-ish. I'll check right now. Thing is that she thought that she was on her own. So, I mean, that's hilarious. Either finally there's someone that doesn't think that we're together. That's a freaking miracle. Or...
Wait, she actually thought
that was your order and mine was my order. It's a freaking miracle that for once someone doesn't think. Yeah, I'm usually stuck with her bill because people think I'm with her. I know. I guess I gotta give her a point for that. She knew that we were together.
Probably because you didn't put the order in at the same time.
What are you talking about? I did.
No, I mean like you were actually the one putting the order. I had me to.
Yeah, but I mean, if I just say, okay, your turn, why would...
I don't know. I guess you've actually figured that out. Someone that actually has realized we are not together.
I know. I wasn't saying anything until I noticed like your pupils just like... Alright, so, back to the review. We need to come up with the podcast because me and you don't shut the up. Alright, so for location, at the end of the day, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. For pricing, it was actually pretty decently priced. On pricing or on the location?
Location.
Okay.
You know how I am about this area.
That's true. Alright, so...
That might be any better, but yeah.
Okay.
O sea, mueve.
Alright, so it's a 3.5 essentially for the location. For pricing, it is settled at a 4 for me. What?
I was looking for my phone.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Her name is Emmy. And she's recording with her phone. I have in my hand her phone because she wanted to continue using her phone. Let that sink in. Back to the review. No manches. Okay. So pricing overall, I give it a 4. What would you hand it over at?
Yeah, it wasn't bad. They were like, what, $1 each?
Yeah, but I mean, like you said, yeah, but they still like out of nowhere brought it up. Like I think it was 17. She gave me $3 change. So yeah, it was like $17 for like how many did we order? Was it 7?
I don't know.
I ordered 8. You ordered 3.
I ordered 3.
Yeah, so I don't think it was $1 each at the end of the day.
It was 17. You ordered 8.
And you ordered 3, so 11. It should have been $11.
So about $11 something each.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and meet up at my location. I'm hoping that out of all the trials and tribulations that she's gone through, maybe I don't skip on something funnier. I mean, you guys already saw her walk into a wardrobe. You guys
didn't see it. I felt it.
All right, so hopefully you guys don't miss much. All right, so we are back at my location, and we have food up the. Who's presentation-wise? What would you say, Miss Andy? Yeah, standard.
For being something that we picked up from.
Okay. And the also legendary Taco Fox brought me a Nutella sandwich. I guess she thought that my 3 pupusas were not going to be enough. So taste.
I kind of agree with her.
It's not going to be enough. Well, I mean,
Not for you.
Okay. Well, I mean, that's why we also got chips. You want to taste test it now, or do you want to? What do you want to do?
I will do the queso con loco
That expression kind of says it all.
Meh.
Meh. Is it a 5, a 4, a 6? Barely a 4. Well, there you have it. The unfortunate thing that it ends at a 4. Well, we were trying to find a hidden location, a hidden gem. Unfortunately, this is not it. It could stay hidden. Alright, well, I guess it's my turn. I'm assuming this is the cheese one.
I don't know.
No, yeah, it is the cheese one. Okay, it's cheesy. It's not super salted like it was.
Oh, I know. That's the only.
So
that's the good
it's
thing.
not super salted. Considering that we made them wait while I got to go withdraw money, it's still warm, it's still toasted. I'm actually not going to give it that bad of a grade. I'm actually going to go ahead and give it a 7.
Really?
7. Mostly because it's not small. The other place that we go to, it's like 20% smaller. The size is decent. So overall, yeah, it's not a hidden gem. It's actually what you pay for. Overall, I did kind of hope we found a hidden gem, but we didn't. Nonetheless, I do hope that they get a good review. Nonetheless, I mean, it's a local shop. I do wish that I could sponsor local shops a little bit more, but sometimes it's just not for everyone. We'll continue hunting for better places. I hope we found a better place. But thank you for joining us on this little evening of finding a random food to eat. Thank you very much.